Hey guys, we're working on the Coronet today. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you like it and subscribe to it if you want to follow this build. Today I'm digging into the interior. The seats are all ripped out, the door panels are all off, and I'm basically just vacuuming it out and getting all the leaves and dirt out of it. The floor was in it in places, and unfortunately that trapped a little bit of moisture in. It's not nearly as bad as if some of you followed the satellite. The whole floor pan was gone. This one's just got small holes in it where we're gonna patch it and send it on its way. I'm gonna post up some pictures for you guys, and we'll also take like a video and kind of show you the detailed inside of it.